The Doogee S100 is the 4G version of the Doogee V30. The S100 is very similar to the V30, especially in terms of design, but as opposed to the Doogee V30 that comes in 2 color options, the S100 is available in 3 colors: ice blue, cyber yellow, and classic black, while the Doogee V30 is available in black and orange colors. And of course, the S100 is the first Doogee phone to be powered by the Helio G99. So let's quickly talk about the specs of the Doogee S100. The S100 flaunts a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The display is protected with the Gorilla Glass 5. It is powered by the Helio G99. The Doogee S100 would have 12GB of RAM. The device has a 256GB internal storage that could be expanded up to 2TB using an SD card. It runs on the Android 12 OS, and in terms of camera, the device features triple cameras: a 108MP primary sensor, 20MP night vision, and 60MP ultra wide, while the front camera is 32MP. The phone is backed up by a 10,800 mAh battery, and it supports 66 watts fast charging as well as 15 watts wireless charging. It is rated IP68 and IP69K. It supports NFC, and it is military standard 810H compliant. The device does not have a headphone jack. As for the price of the Doogee S100, I do not know, but I think that it's going to be very cheap than the Doogee V30 and the Doogee V Max. It might cost a little bit more than the Doogee S99, but not very much in my opinion. I'd like to hear your thoughts about the Doogee S100. Make sure to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.
Perfect.